Little rush build. Look. No water pump. No ventilators. Everything up here is assembled. See, I still got a rag right there. Alternators off. But everything to turn on is powered on. Disconnector. All the mangueras. We're gonna do first startup. Hold up. I still don't know if valves are bent or anything. Just give it a go. Hold up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Little blue smoke. I think that's from when it was running rough. Yeah. But hell yeah. Quiet. See, it's running just on the straight motor. All good for here.